चल
Good afternoon. This is a ice manufacturing machine trainer. In this machine, we will produce ice in this tank with the help of refrigeration system. This is the electrical panel of this machine. In this machine, mainly there are four main components. Again, I will tell you. The compressor. It is a hermetically sealed 1.5 ton compressor. A fan to cool the condenser. This is a 4-row condenser. Evaporating coil around this tank. This tank is about of 64 liter. These are the service valves, and the expansion valves used is of capillary tube. This is the capillary tube. This is a filter or dryer for the filtration of refrigerant. Okay. We have used the PT100 sensor to detect the temperature at different points of the refrigerant. We have created this tank in which we can cool anything we want to. This tank is surrounded by the coils which are acting as a evaporator. Now this tank is acting as a evaporator tank. We have left a sensor here to detect the temperature of this. It can create ice. This is electrical panel. This is energy meter to calculate the power consumption by the unit. LPHP cutout. This is a pressure low and pressure high gauge. Pressure gauge high is working on the compressor outlet, and it is working on the evaporator inlet to detect the pressure and of the refrigerant at different points. This is ammeter, voltmeter. These are the temperature indicator. I will tell you at how many points there is a temperature. We have put a one sensor at condenser inlet, condenser outlet, evaporator inlet, evaporator outlet. This is a tank. Now I will show you how it is working. Firstly, this is a service valve through which we will put a refrigerant in this. We have put a refrigerant R404A in this. This refrigerant is used for cooling, extensive cooling in -degree temperatures. This is a coil. So this compressor, this is refrigerant is coming back from the evaporative outlet. Then it is going to the condenser inlet through this way. Then it is passing through number of coils, and there is a fan to cool the air. Then after this, it will pass to the after condenser outlet. Then it will pass to the evaporator inlet. Then it will again back after evaporator inlet. It will again come back into the evaporator outlet, and the refrigerator will be cooled down by the. Then it will pass through this expansion valve. This expansion valve of capillary tube is creating converting this into high pressure. That is producing a cold effect in this tank. These are the tanks to create ice in the manufacturing unit. From there we can note down the temperature. I will show you which temperature is coming at the. This is the temperature when the refrigerant is entering the condenser inlet. High pressure from the compressor. Then when it passes through the number of coils in condenser, then the temperature drops to 35 degrees Celsius. Sorry. Then it will after this it will pass through the expansion valve of capillary tube. There its temperature will drop down at the point of evaporator inlet. It is -24 degrees Celsius. Then it will pass through the number of coils surrounding the submerged tank, where we can put ice water for cooling the ice, creating into ice manufacturing. Then at that point when it is coming out of the evaporator, their temperature is -27 degrees Celsius. And I will show you which temperature we maintain in the tank is. Right now -32 degrees Celsius, -31 degrees Celsius we have achieved in this machine. Thank you, thanks a lot. This is all you can power consumption from this energy meter, and this is all reading we can take from this.